Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. We can use about Laplace transformation. So in this one we have two conditions. So we can use about this one. Now for this one we can transform second derivative that is into h square capital F of h minus s f of number 0 minus first derivative f of number 0. The next one, first derivative of y, that is about s of capital F of h minus f of number 0. And the next one, original of y, that is about capital F of h. About this one, we have the formula in here, that is about Tn e to the power of at. We can transform this one into n factorial over h minus a to the power of n plus 1. So now we need to transform everything into this one. So we have like this second derivative, that is this one. Later that we have positive number 8 multiplied by this one. And this one, that is about capital F of h. So this one we have number 6, and in this situation that is about number 1, a, that is about number 4. So in this one we have 1 factorial over h minus number 4 and that is about number 1. So 1 plus 1 we have number 2. And now we need to simplify everything in here. F of number 0, that is about number 0 in here. This one, that is about number 9. This one you got number 0. This one we have positive 8h capital F of h. This one we have 16 capital F of h. This one we have number 6 over h minus number 4 to the power of 2. Now we have capital F of h, F of h, we can do about factorization. So we put negative number 9 go to the right. So we have positive number 9. This one, that is about identities. 8h, that is about number 2 multiplied by number 4 and h. Number 16, that is about 4 square. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Now we divide both sides by this one. So for this one, we need to use about partial fractions. So we can set up about 8 over h plus 4 b over h plus 4 to the power of 2 c over h minus number 4 and d over h minus 4 to the power of 2. So you can do common denominator in here. So this one I just cover many videos about partial fractions, so I just write the answer of this one. So that should be like this. So that is this one. Now we have this one plus this one, so we can simplify, and we have like this. That is about 73 over number 8. So after you got this one, we can use about inverse Laplace transformation. So the inverse Laplace of 1 over h minus a, that should be about e to the power of 80. And the next one, that is about this one. So we need to transform into t to the power of n e to the power of 80. Now we do step by step. This is positive number 4, but this is about negative 8. So that means 8 equals to negative number 4. So for the first one in here, that is about number 3 over 128 e to the power of negative 4t. So we put negative number 4 go in here. So we have 1 over h plus number 4. This one, we apply this one. So we can say that we have number 2. That means n plus n equals to number 1. So 1 plus 1, we have number 2. So we have positive number 4. That means 8 equals to negative number 4. So this one, we have 73 over 8 t to the power of number 1 and 8, that is about negative number 4. The next one, this one, we have negative number 4, we have negative 8. So 8 in here, that is about positive number 4. So we have e to the power of 40. And the last one, this one, we have negative number 4. So 8 equals to number 4 and equals to number 1. So in this one, we have t e to the power of 40. Oh, sorry, I need to return back. This one, I made the mistake. So this one, that is about 32. Now this one plus number 9, that is about 291 over 32. So this one, that is about 291 over 32. Sorry about that, there's too many numbers in here. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.